Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and today I've got a special treat for you all. This comes after 4 years of hearing the story of this car sitting down here in this ravine. I met a guy at a swap meet about 4 years ago, and he said there's a 1959 two-door Impala in a guy's ditch. I tried to call the owner, wrote him a letter, all that good stuff. Never got back to me. Was driving around the back roads here today, and actually met the nephew of the owner of this property. Said, you know, go on, take a look, you know, do whatever you want to do, and no problem there. And we come down here, and the car exists, the story exists. So it is, I believe, a turquoise and white 59 two-door hardtop. Obviously, it's had some Bondo. We'll have to look at the cowl tag to actually see what you know, what this car started as, but it was two-tone with the dividers there. Take this off. As you can see, I mean, all the rare moldings are there. The seats are gone, but you know, the doors are here. They're buried, of course, but that's all right. There's not really any dash trim left. The paint dividers here on the back are gone. You can see there's 1.5 feet of snow on this car. So let's kind of clean this thing off a little bit and see what we got to work with. So as you guys see, the taillights are gone, and obviously the rear body panel is pretty rotten. But there's some good chrome there on the deck lid, on the license plate, all that good stuff. So this car, Mike, you want to show how high up we are? I mean, this thing is on a massive embankment here. There's no way it's going to come out of here whole. But I'm going to try to work a deal with this guy. Oh, shit. And see if I can, you know, pull some parts off of this car and salvage what I can. So you guys, when they tell you that I am an Impala addict, there's no denying that. Let's just get my butt cold, push this snow. So the deck lid's there. I wish this car wasn't so covered. I could make it a little better showing you guys this, but everything is there. All the hard stuff to find anyways. Oh, yikes, that hurt. I'm like a dog or a squirrel looking for an acorn. Fin moldings are on this car. Of course the door's not gonna move. What am I doing here? It's frozen shut. So yeah, you guys, it's not the most exciting video in the world, but when you hear a story for 3 or 4 years, the lore of these cars is what's cool. And granted, this car will never be built, and it can't come out of here. It's not feasible. But this car's got a lot of chrome, a lot of trim, a lot of good stuff that can put the other ones on the road. So hopefully in the springtime I can make a deal with this guy and come back out here and salvage what we can, and I'll film that. So if you guys enjoyed the video today, Make sure to leave a like rating. Leave a like rating for all the snow on my boots right now. I'm gonna have hypothermia, but this is worth it. Leave a like for my filmer Mike. Good guy coming out here, walking half a mile with me in the bitter cold to find this car. Leave a comment what you guys think. What's your best find you've ever found in a ditch or ravine, or the best story you've ever heard? And make sure to subscribe, because you guys will see a lot more of this stuff as we find it. So thank you guys all for watching. My name is Ryan. Mike's behind me with Iowa Classic Cars, and I'll catch you in the next video.